Here we go. Are you ready to find out what's inside Grandpa Beck's brand new game, Gnoming Around? Let's find out. Okay, here we go. Ooh, this is a new one. The old ones had a different thing and now they have it updated for all of their games. I was interested to see what they're going to do with that. Okay, here's the rulebook. Oh, I like this a lot. So the rulebook is kind of like a storybook, and on Grandpa Beck's Instagram page they were saying how they wanted it to be and feel like a storybook, which is why you see on the outside here it looks like it's literally like a book, which is super cool. Okay, and then they include the recipes like always. Okay, here are the cards. Okay, make sure you get a good look inside there. So inside here they have the little map of the golf course, which is a super nice touch to put to the inside of the game. Okay, the cards are open and look at the back. Look at how beautiful those cards are. Well done, fantastic art. Now let's see a little bit more about the cards. Okay, so literally a bunch of gnomes playing mini golf. That's amazing. So I have never played Grandpa Beck's original golf game, so I'm super excited to see how this works because it's a revamping of their original golf game, which was actually their first game that they ever put out. Okay, so it looks like there's a lot of positive cards, some negative cards, and then some special cards. Let's see what they look like. So here's the positive, there's a negative. This looks like one of the special cards. Okay, so we're going to briefly go what's inside of Gnoming Around. So inside the box, you get the instruction manual, you get one of the Grandpa Beck's recipes, and then you of course get the game. And so you have all of these negative ones, which will drive your score downward, and then you have the positive numbers, which obviously in golf, you're trying to get the lowest score possible. And so in briefly reading the instructions, it sounds like they're going to probably be positive points against you unless you do something specific to get a certain row, and then the numbers are negative, which is really good for the game of golf. And then you have these 3 different hazard cards and 3 mulligan cards, which from my understanding of briefly looking over the rules is like a wild card. I'm excited to get in this game, and we'll also be making some more videos on this. Be sure to subscribe over here, and then if you want to check out more videos, right down there. Thanks guys!